Never mind the noise and the traffic. We're just out here shooting videos just for you today. I have an all-new redesigned Elantra GT here behind me. We're going to do a quick video walk around. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this vehicle, but there's going to be way too much to say in this quick video. This vehicle does have the Hyundai Cascading honeycomb grille, LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, aluminum alloy wheels, turn indicator in the mirror, as well as blind spot detection. If there's a vehicle located on the side of you, it's going to let you know not to get over just yet, but there's a vehicle there. And if you come inside, I'm going to show you a couple of quick features. This GT does have the powered seat, leather seating, auto hold, heated and cooled seats, various drive modes, Android, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth. Again, the technology and the equipment goes on and on and on. But let me tell you one of the beauty parts about Hyundai is America's best warranty. Not only are you going to get this amazing vehicle with all those amazing features, you're going to get a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty. But that's exclusively here at Tameron. So come see me. My name is Nate. 205-287-2321, and you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.